Choosing the right tire is more important than you think, especially for Indian roads. Today on BikesMedia, we break down the battle. Tubeless versus tube tires. Which one should you choose? Let's get rolling. What's the technical difference? First, the basics. A tube tire has a separate inner tube filled with air. A tubeless tire holds air within the tire itself, no separate tube inside. This simple difference changes everything, from puncture repair to ride safety. Impact on punctures. Got a puncture? With tube tires, air escapes quickly, often leading to sudden deflation. Dangerous, right? Tubeless tires? They lose air slowly, giving you time to react and even ride to the nearest puncture repair shop. Ride quality and performance. Tubeless tires generally offer better handling, improved grip, and a smoother ride, especially on highways and city roads. Tube tires, however, are still strong contenders for hardcore off-road conditions and rough terrains where tire damage is more likely. Best for Indian conditions? Indian roads are unpredictable. Potholes, debris, you name it. For everyday city riding and highway touring, tubeless tires are the smarter, safer, and more practical choice. If you're an off-roading enthusiast heading deep into rural areas, tube tires might still be your go-to. Final verdict. So tubeless for daily comfort, tube for rough adventures. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your riding buddies, and subscribe to BikesMedia for more awesome biking content. And hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.